teachers, and welcome back to WeTeach.U. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Kahoot, one of the most popular tools for making your lessons interactive, fun, and engaging. Kahoot is an online game-based platform where you can create quizzes, polls, and activities for your students. It turns learning into a game where students join from their phones, tablets, or laptops and compete in real time. Once you log into Kahoot.it, that's Kahoot, you go to your browser and you type Kahoot, and you will be directed to Kahoot and its learning games. Once you need to sign up first to have an account on Kahoot. You sign up for free with your Google account or Gmail, or you log in if you already have an account on Kahoot. And once you log in, you can start creating your own games. So once you log in, you click on create at the top of the screen. Once you click on create, you choose a short interactive lessons with polls and quizzes, or story. You tell a story to your audience using different building blocks, or you choose course, which is best for longer sessions with videos, documents, and assignment. I'll choose short interactive lessons with polls and quizzes. So I can choose a quiz, a poll, or a word cloud. For example, let's make a quick quiz. So here I have Kahoot generator, which is AI assisted, or I choose directly the quiz as you see here. That's the quiz. I need to type my question here. So I logged into Kahoot.it and I clicked on create at the top. I chose a quiz for my trial. If I want to make a quick quiz, I need to type in my questions. So suppose my question is, which of the following digital tools is best known for creating game-based quizzes? Either I copy it or I type it here. So you can type the question here. My question is, which of the following digital tools is best known for creating game-based quizzes? Once I type my questions, I need to add the options and possible answers and mark the correct one. So suppose some of the possible answers are Google Docs, Poll Everywhere, I love PDF, and Kahoot. I can add more options if I'd like to. That's the question type. It's a quiz because you see there are so many question types: true or false questions, type the correct answer, the slider, pin the answer, puzzle, poll, scale, word cloud, drop-in, open-ended questions, brainstorm, slides. All of the options are possible. I set the time limit for my quiz, 20 seconds or 30 seconds. And the points are standard, or I can double the points if I want, or I can choose no points at all. But first of all, I need to choose the correct answer. The correct answer is Kahoot, and I can preview the question. Here how the question looks like. Once I create the question, I previewed it to see how it's going to appear to my audience or to my students. I mean, once my Kahoot is ready, then I need to save it. So you click on the save button and you enter a title for the tests. So the title of my test is digital tools. So I give it a title, I save, and I need to host it live here. So I need to run it live in class. And once I run it or host it live, then Kahoot will generate a unique game pin. Students just go to kahoot.it, enter the pin, and type their names to join. So I host it live. That's the classic mode. Students cannot log in unless I start the game. So I need to start the game, and students will get ready to join the game. What they need to do is to copy this pin code. I just copy this pin code 864974. I go to kahoot.it, Kahoot. I just give my student the link or the QR code, and they just copy the game pin, which is 864974. 864974. They just type the pin, and they can use their nicknames, for example, Sami, and they start the game. So they are in, they can use their nickname or the real name to do the quiz. So when everyone is in, we click start, and students can answer the question. The teacher or the creator of the game needs to click on start, and once you click on start, then students answer the question, and it appears on the big screen. If you want to show students answer from their devices, here how it looks like. So Kahoot automatically gives point for correct answers or shows a leaderboard after each round. This keeps the energy high and motivates students' participation. So I need to choose the right answer. So this is how students answer. If I log as a student, then I choose the right answer. So here I'm a teacher, I'm just showing the leader board. So now the time is up because I gave my students only 30 seconds to answer the question. And after the game, Kahoot will give us a detailed report. You can see which questions students answered, and you can also see which questions students struggled with and who got the most points and how the classroom performed overall. This makes it a great tool for engagement, but also for quick assessments. So that's how it works. So as you see, Kahoot can be used as a warm-up or as a review activity at the end of a class. You can also play in team mode if you want to build collaboration between your students. And you can assign Kahoot as homework so students can play at their own pace at home. And you can check the reports to identify learning gaps quickly. All the options are available. And that's it. As you see, Kahoot is simple, but it's also a powerful way to make your lessons exciting while also checking for your students' understanding. And as we noticed from teachers' experience, students love the game feel, and teachers love the instant feedback they get. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other teachers, and let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use Kahoot in your classroom? Thank you.